Welcome! In this video, we'll take a quick tour of the Gutenberg editor. This is the main workspace you'll use to create and edit pages and posts in WordPress when you're using a full site editing theme. There are two ways to open the Gutenberg editor. You can either go to the back-end dashboard view. On the left-hand sidebar, you can click Pages, and then find the page that you want to open and click Edit. You can also, while viewing the front end of the site, come up to the admin bar and click Edit Page. In the main part of the screen, you'll see the content preview. This acts as both the editing screen and a snapshot of what you'll see on the front end. You can click directly on the page to start typing. You can drag and drop blocks, or you can use the floating edit bars for quick formatting, things like bolding text, alignment options, and adding links. In the top left, you'll find several useful buttons. The Insert Block toggle opens a panel where you can choose from text, image, and layout blocks. Next to that are the Undo and Redo buttons, where you can quickly navigate through minor edits that you've made. But just remember that these edits only apply to your current editing session. Once you exit the editor on this page, those buttons won't be very useful anymore. You'll also see the Document Overview toggle, which opens and closes a quick outline of all the current blocks on your page so that you can jump around easily. You just click on the block and it will jump straight to the block that you've highlighted. Over to the top on the right, you'll find tools for managing how you view and edit your content. The View Page button opens a preview of how your page looks live on the front end. The Device View Switcher lets you see how it appears on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. The Settings panel toggle opens and closes the sidebar for editing details about your page or individual blocks. And the three-dot More Options menu, you'll find extras like full screen mode, which helps you focus on writing without distractions. If you toggle it off, you can also see that it will toggle the admin bar and left-hand side menu. Now let's look more closely at the Insert Block panel. The first section on here is blocks, where you can search for a specific block in the search bar. Or you can browse by category, such as text, media, design, and so on. A quick note of caution here: if you install new block types from outside sources, WordPress will often install them as plugins. Too many plugins can slow down your site, making updates more time-consuming and potentially causing performance issues. Next tab is Patterns. These are pre-built layouts that combine multiple blocks for faster design. You can use native WordPress patterns, or you can choose from your own site's custom ones under My Patterns. This site currently doesn't have any My Patterns. We'll explore patterns more depth in another video. And finally, there's the Media tab. This lets you drag and drop images directly into your content based on what you already have uploaded to your media gallery, or you can choose Openverse, which is a free open source library of images. I'll give you an example. Typing in Portland, you find an image that you like, and you can simply drag and drop it into your existing image block. And it just takes a few seconds to update. You can click Save, and now you have a free open source image on your page. Next, we're going to go open the Overview panel. And this list view shows every block that's on your page in order, letting you collapse groups and expand them by using the caret arrows. And you can jump directly to a section or a block by clicking on it over here, and it'll show you which one is highlighted. But we'll also have some extra options with the ellipses here. And these are the same options that you'll get in the floating bar. Remember that every new block starts as a paragraph, but you can easily convert it. For instance, if I want to add a new block after this text paragraph right here, I can come to the ellipses, click Add After, and it will add a new block after, and you'll notice it automatically created it as a paragraph block. And here you can convert it into a block of your choice by clicking the blue plus sign and searching for your block. Or you can also do a / and start searching for your block there. Then you just select the block that you want, and it gets inserted. To delete the block, you can click on the ellipses on either the overview panel or the block itself, and hit delete. And back in the overview panel next to list view, you'll also see that there's an outline option. And this lists all of the heading and title tags for SEO purposes. And lastly, let's check out the settings panel. This is split into two sections. The page settings tab controls your page or post details, things like the featured image and published page status. The block settings tab changes depending on what you've selected. This gives you customization options for that specific block, such as alignment, typography, colors, and layout options. You can add padding or margin by using the ellipses options. Things like typography, you can add more options here by selecting them from the ellipses. And then you can remove those options by clicking them again. That being said, there's a lot of different styling options that the settings panel gives you, and the Gutenberg as a whole is pretty expansive. So if you have any specific questions, we're more than happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!